try to eat a banana tortilla, but the back end falls out of it? Well, we got a solution for you. The new food stapler. Epic in stapling the food so that the back end doesn't fall out in the front end. Or the back side doesn't fall out in the front side.
We can even see regular day-to-day people using this in their house.
Why are you in my house?
Film the video!
If you order within the next 15 minutes, you'll get the staple food gun included. This is our free product, which is limited edition and only sold within the next 15 minutes. This can also be used to staple your wall.
The stapler is even child approved.
Ready?
Yeah, push down. And now you take it out. Boom!
Can I do no one now?
Staple is there.
No,
That's great.
I can
Now give it a
do
thumbs up. Give it a good thumbs up.
Do it now.
Side effects may include loss of sanity.
Did you drink all my chocolate milk? Yes. That was my last go! Another side effect may include Bigfoot.
The final side effect may include becoming a percussionist.